Several methods are available to complete a pipe flashing. Let's review the most common. Probably the quickest way to flash a pipe is to install a lead flashing. These are common when the pipes only extend 8 to 12 inches above the roof's surface. A bed of Mod-Bit flashing adhesive is applied around the base of the pipe about 1/8 inch thick and large enough to fully embed the flange. The flange is installed over the pipe and set in the bed of the adhesive. A coat of Mod-Bit flashing adhesive is applied over the flange and extended out onto the roof surface at least 4 inches past the flange on all sides. A piece of cap sheet is then applied over the flange with a hole cut out of the middle just big enough to fit tightly around the base of the lead flashing. The cap sheet is thoroughly rolled and a bead of Mod-Bit sealant is applied around the base of the flashing for the final seal. Loose granules are applied around the flashing and over any excess Mod-Bit flashing adhesive. The last step is to fold down the lead into the pipe about 1 inch. A second method is to set a primed lead flashing in a bed of Mod-Bit flashing adhesive. The cut cap is fitted over the flashing and the release liner is removed. The material over the flange is rolled thoroughly. In this case, the material extending out past the flange is welded into place. A bead of Mod-Bit sealant is applied around the base of the flashing as the final seal and then covered with granules. A third option when a metal flashing is not or cannot be used is to flash the pipe. This requires two pieces, a base and a wrap. The base piece should be large enough to extend at least 6 inches in all directions out from the base of the pipe, with the center cut out to fit tightly around the pipe after the wrap is installed. A second piece of material is cut to wrap vertically around the pipe with 1 inch to a 1.5 inch overlap. Small cuts are made along the bottom edge about 1 inch deep and about 1 inch apart. This will allow the material to turn out onto the field of the roof. The pipe is first wrapped with the vertical piece with the cut tabs projecting out onto the roof's surface. The tabs are welded into place or set in Mod-Bit flashing adhesive. The base is then installed over the pipe and fully welded to the field sheet. A bead of Mod-Bit sealant is then applied around the base of the pipe and then covered with granules. Any adhesive bleed out is covered with granules. An option to welding the base is to set it in a bed of Mod-Bit flashing adhesive.